Are you looking for the best ice crushers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best ice crushers that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Coston Ice Electric Crusher, Stainless Steel Ice Cone Shaver. This ice maker is great for kitchen, boat, RV, gathering, or party. It contains an ice chute having a design of a funnel, making the procedure of putting ice convenient procedure for you. This ice crusher is basic device easily crushing ice by just touching a button. Create your favorite ice beverages with this new ice crusher. Easy to utilize and produces perfect crushed ice for your drinks and iced tea. The item's construction is durable. It has on-off button switch is placed at the front of this crusher for simple operation. Number 4. VIVO HOME Electric Ice Crusher for commercial and home use. This electric ice crusher is made with a stainless steel blade that is durable and is resistant from wear and corrosion. It will provide you with wonderful snow cone during summer holidays and tropical vacations. It can produce a capacity of 143 pounds per hour of shaved ice that is relatively enough for large crowds. The VIVO HOME is easy to clean and it is made with a powerful electric motor that is able to handle even tough ice without having any difficulty. The switch of this ice crusher is water resistant to ensure safe operation. It is ideal for your home, canteens, fairs, restaurants. Number 3. Super Deal New Commercial Snow Cone Maker Ice Shaver Machine. Easy to utilize and is great for home and businesses utilize. It has a drainage tube and a drip tray from the blade to the plate. It can shave more than 200 pounds of snow each hour. Ice is usually dropped in the top point of the machine and steel blades are great for shaving big pieces of ice. You can adjust the blade to change the surface texture of ice by modifying the red handle by the chute. It's perfect for shaving ice for cold beverages and margaritas. These stainless steel blades are perfect for shaving big pieces of ice. Number 2. Go Plus Electric Ice Crusher. This is an efficient and small ice crusher machine that is perfect for making frozen and slushed beverages. The all-around operation handle makes you to feel good when you are utilizing the shaver. Because it is a manually work machine, it spares you electricity and batteries power. Outfitted with aluminum anodized hopper and casing and a strong heavy base, this machine is appropriate for home gatherings, parties, snack stands, canteens, bars, restaurants, and so forth. Do not hesitate, purchase it now. Number 1. Zini Ice Crusher. This electric ice crusher and shaver is perfect for the home, party, store and company. It features a heavy case iron base that guarantees you of stability and durability while the stainless steel chopping blades will keep shaving or crushing ice for a long time. This is further guaranteed by the 300-watt motor that spins at 1,400 revolutions per minute. To prevent accidental starting, it comes with a safety cover switch while the on-off switch is waterproof.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.